So, good evening, my dear class 10th students. This live session is for class 10th icse board students. Today, we will discuss the procedure to calculate or to find the median when the data is provided in the various forms. From last 2-3 classes, I am explaining you that how we find the mean. Today, I'll explain you how to find the median when the data is provided in raw form, ungrouped tabulated form, or grouped tabulated form. Even though yesterday I explained the procedure to calculate the median when the data is in raw form or ungrouped form or grouped form, but today also I'll give you the formula to calculate the median when the data is in raw, ungrouped or grouped form. So first of all we need to know what the median is. सबसे पहले हमको पता होना चाहिए कि मीडियन होता क्या है. The median means the middle term of an arranged data. Median of a data means a middle term of the arranged data. So, whether the data is raw, ungrouped tabulated, or tabulated, it doesn't matter. First of all, we need to see whether it is arranged or not. If not arranged, we need to arrange it. And after arranging the observations or the class intervals of the data, we need to go for selecting the middle term or terms. It depends on the number of terms. There will be single or two middle terms depending on whether the number of terms is odd or even. For the raw and ungrouped data, the formula remains the same. The topic is median. When the data is raw or ungrouped, the formula for the median remains the same. What it is? It is n plus 1 by 2th term or the average of n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. When do we use this? If we see that there are odd number of terms, the number of terms when we count and it is an odd number, then we use this formula for finding the middle term or median. But when we see that the number of terms or number of observations in the data is even, so there will be two middle terms and these two middle terms will be n by 2th term or n by 2 plus 1th term. So their average will be the median. So I start doing the questions of the exercise 18b. Question number 1. 18b. Question number 1. Find the median of the following sets of data. I write the set of data. First part, we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is a set of data. You can see the observations are arranged. Now you need to tell me the number of terms. Please count and tell me the number of terms. The number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is an odd number. So if the number of terms is odd, then to select the middle term, we will be using this formula. So median is equal to 5 plus 1 by 2 nth term. I hope you know 5 plus 1 becomes 6. 6 by 2, 3. So third term. So median will be third term and third term is 5. Therefore 5 is the median of this data, which comes, you can see, if you start counting from this side, 5 comes at third place. If you start counting from this side, 5 comes at third place. It means 5 comes in the mid of the arranged data. Therefore, 5 is the median. Now come to next one. Fourth part of this question. Let us write the observations 13, 22, 25, 13, 22, 25, 8, 11, 19, 17, 31, 16 and 10. 31, 16 and 10. Count, but remember, before counting what I have said to arrange these data. Now you can count, but before selecting the middle term, you need to arrange these observations. So let me first count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 observations we have. So all these 10 must be arranged in ascending or descending order. So let us arrange them. So the smallest one is 8. So 8. Then next to 8 is 10. Then 11. Then 13. Then 16. 17. 19. 20, 22, 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 31. So I have arranged these observations in ascending order and counted. N is 10, which is an even number. So I have told you, in case of even numbers, there will be two middle terms. Can you tell me these two middle terms are at which places? These will be 10 by 2, fifth place, and 10 by 2 plus 1, sixth place. So the middle terms will be at fifth place and sixth place. So their average The average of the observations as at fifth place and sixth place will be the median. Remember it. So median is equal to fifth term plus sixth term. How the 5 has come? 10 by 2. Fifth term plus sixth term divided by 2. So let us see what we have at the fifth place. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. We have 16 at the fifth place and 17 at the sixth place. So therefore median will be 16 plus 17 by 2, 33 by 2, 16.5. So 16.5 will be the median of this raw data. Let us go for sixth part of question number 1. Sixth part. Okay? Let's do. What we have in this sixth part of question number 1, prime numbers between 51 and 80. We have to get the median of the data which involves the prime numbers between 51 and 80. Prime numbers between 51 and 80. So, what are prime numbers? I would like to know from my viewers. Do you know? Hello? Do you know about the prime numbers? I hope you all are knowing. Prime numbers. Don't know, really you don't know? I am waiting for the reply from my viewers. What are prime numbers? I see number of viewers are more, but I am waiting for the reply. It means you have no idea about the prime numbers. If you don't have idea of prime numbers, how will you do this question? Because you need to have the observations, then only you can select the middle term to get the median. So prime numbers are those numbers which have two different factors only. One and the number itself. So the prime numbers are 53, 59, 61, 67. Good evening, Sad Kato. 67, 71, 73, 79. So since number of observations n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is an odd number. Yes, Satkato, I was teaching circle in the online class to the school students. But this live session is not for school students. This live session is for my YouTube viewers. This I am taking the live class for my YouTube viewers. You can go to my channel and see the last live class taken by me. It was based on statistics. Okay. So this live session is not for the school students. This live session is for my YouTube viewers who are watching my video every day. Last day, I explained them the procedure to find the median. Today, I am solving the questions of the exercise 18B. Now, one gaming student is asking, sir, annual exam will be in February. Who told you it will be in February? It will be after 10th March. The annual exam, who is asking about annual exam? I don't know when will the annual exam be. I'm asking if this live session is for class 10th students. If you are talking about home exam, you can WhatsApp me, I'll reply. Here, this live session is for class 10th students. Satkato, thank you sir for clearing my doubts. Okay. So since n is odd, so if n is an odd number of observations is odd, so there will be one middle term. So 7 plus 1 becomes 8, 8 by 2, 4. So fourth term. So median will be the fourth term. 1, 2, 3, 4. 67. So 67 is the median of prime numbers between 51 to 58. Now question number 2. Question number 2. If you don't go through the question number 2 carefully, you will make mistake. I just copy the question and I will ask question from you all. S number, I mean serial number, and second is monthly income in rupees. We have a table. Serial number 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 to 12 serial number. Then the monthly incomes are as 280, 180, 280, 180, 96, 98, 104, 75, 75, 80, 94, 100, 75, 600 and 200. Now tell me, my dear viewers, what should I do to get the median of this data? This table shows the income of 12 families. What should I do to get the middle term or median of this data? If you know, you can reply. I'm eagerly waiting for your reply. Viewers are not knowing. No matter, okay? It shows that. So, these are the observations. Don't ever think that these are frequencies. This data is actually raw data. The information we have in table, but this is a raw data. So we need to arrange these incomes of the families. So arrange these 12 families incomes in ascending order. So the least one is 75, 75, 75, 80, then 94, then 96, then 100, 100, after 96, 98, then 100, then 180, then 200, 280, then 600. Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. One is missing. 104. So we have 12 observations. So since n is number of observations is even, therefore two middle terms will be there and they will be at 6th place and 7th place. So median will be average of 6th term plus 7th term. 6th term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 98. 7th term 100. 198 by 2. 99. So 99 will be the median income. Okay. So I hope you have understood how to find the median when the data is raw. And if the data is ungrouped, I mean observation and frequencies are given, that type of questions we will do tomorrow. So meet you tomorrow. Bye bye.